Hi everyone, I am Janie Medley, Employee Outreach Specialist here at the Virginia Society of CPAs, and I'm here with Stephanie Peters, our President and CEO. And Stephanie is working on something new that I'm sure you're going to be excited to hear about. Tell us all about it, Stephanie.
All right, thanks Janie. We are very excited about a new program that we've put together. It's an array of services that we call Strategic Insights. And what we're doing is, our mission here at the VSCPA is to help transform the profession. And with these services, we can go in and help a firm transform themselves so they can be best prepared to deal with the change and just the disruption that's going on in the profession today. So we're excited.
Oh, you should be excited. I love that. Now, tell us how that's going to work.
Yeah. So the types of services that we'll provide are things like strategic planning and visioning. We've got a variety of workshops that we can facilitate that can help a firm take a deeper dive into certain areas of the profession that they may be dealing with. We can come in, we can facilitate a strategic discussion with their partners or their teams or really their leadership. We can also do assessments of their staff so that they can get real data that can help them make decisions that they need to make for their organization.
Stephanie, that sounds great. I love that. Now, tell us, for those who are looking at us today, they may be like, I don't really understand what you're talking about. So Can you just break that down for us a little bit?
Yeah, for sure. So, we have a variety of facilitators, including myself, Laura Cobb, and Maureen Dingus here at the VSCPA. We've been trained on a specific process on strategic planning that is proven nationally to really work at creating a vision, as well as really creating strategic actions that you can take to get this off the ground. And what we'll do, because we know our members so well, we can really work to partner with them in this planning process to make sure that they're addressing the needs that they need to address. And really in any type of these services, in working on a specific issue or a big vision, in working on a staff assessment, we will be able to help them create what they need to really make change. And then we want to partner with them to follow up and make sure that they are executing on it. And we've just got a lot of insight into the profession and what's happening that we can bring to a firm or organization that can help them see kind of what's happening and how to best address it.
I love that, Stephanie. I love it. And that's going to be a good resource for everyone.
Absolutely.
So can you tell us a little bit about how you plan on, putting it together and getting it to everyone?
Yeah. So we want people to know about it. We want our members to know about it. This is a part of our mission because, as I said, we want to help our firms and our companies and organizations really see what their potential is and make it happen. So we're just trying to get people educated about it.
Absolutely.
And they can contact me, they can contact Laura Cobb, Maureen Dingus if they're interested. And we just want to have a conversation. We want to get out and talk to our members and find out what's happening in their organization and see if any of these types of activities would help them.
Stephanie, I am so loving this. This is a great resource. I'm looking forward to this. I'm sure everyone is going to get a great benefit from this. So we're excited to see what happens.
Thanks, Janie.
Oh,
we're so excited.
Yeah.